I'm Danielle Hale, Chief Economist for Realtor.com, and here's what you need to know this week. The economic highlight of the week came from the Fed's confirmation of what economists have been noting. The economy is likely to have a very strong 2021. The Fed raised its real economic growth projection to 6.5% for the year, meaning they expect the economy to grow about 3 times as fast as normal. They also expect an improved jobs market and lower unemployment rate. Despite these improvements, the Fed continues to take a cautious approach to raising rates. Unlike the Fed, investors are quicker to react, and on expectations of improved growth, they shifted out of bonds, which pushed mortgage rates higher. For a $300,000 loan, the rise in mortgage rates from January until now adds roughly an extra $70 per month to the payment. And if rates continue to climb as we expect, it could mean an extra $50 per month by the end of the year. In the housing market, we continue to see the effects of buyers outnumbering sellers. Homes are selling faster and prices are rising. There are fewer than half as many homes for sale this week compared to 1 year ago. We typically see more sellers as we approach May, and we're starting to see this improvement, but we'll need a lot more in order to see changes in buyer-seller dynamics. Despite winter weather holding back construction in February, builders are contributing to supply with single-family permits, starts, homes under construction, and completions all growing from 1 year ago. We expect to continue to see more construction, but builder concerns about materials costs, particularly for lumber, are weighing on confidence and likely building activity. For those not yet ready to jump into homeownership, our rental data shows that after months of softness, lower rents mean real savings compared to a year ago. For example, in the San Francisco and San Jose areas, renters locking in today's rents will save nearly $5,000 over the next 12 months, compared to what they would have paid 1 year ago. That's nearly the equivalent of 2 months of rent, or roughly 1% towards a down payment in nearby Sacramento. You'll find details in our housing data for download at Realtor.com/research. And you can also follow us on Twitter for real-time updates.